Where are the coaches of trains manufactured in India? Kapurthala and Perambur. Asia's first underground hydel project is located in which of the following states in India? Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following city has the largest number of registered vehicles? Delhi. Where is Mumbai High located? Continental shelf of Arabian Sea. Ganga beyond Farakka when it enters Bangladesh is known as Padma. India's longest tunnel, Jawahar Tunnel, is located in which state? Jammu and Kashmir. Which from the following towns is not on the Golden Quadrilateral being created for the roads infrastructure of the country? Jabalpur. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? Corbett. Which one of the following is located in the Bastar region? Indravati National Park. Which two of the following are connected by the north-south corridor? Srinagar and Kanyakumari. Which of the following towns is not on the Golden Quadrilateral being created for the roads infrastructure of the country? Hyderabad. The Indian wild ass Ghor is found in the Run of Kutch. There is a project in India which is similar to TVA of USA. It is Damodar Valley Project. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary is located in Gujarat. The highest dam from the following in India is Bakra.